you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received VineOh's seasonal box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this just arrived. VineOh did send me this for review. So thank you so much, VineOh, for sending me your seasonal box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, I do have a code and everything will be linked down below. If you use my code SheCrafty and it's a new membership, you will receive 3 free products in your very first box. So you get 3 items for free in your first box using SheCrafty, and the link will be down below. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what the seasonal box is going to bring us. I'm always so excited about this because not only is my favorite thing in here wine, but they also have a box of goods. There's always like a jewelry item, a food item, some other cool stuff. There could be makeup or lifestyle products. So I love the fact that you get a box of goods and you get 2 bottles of wine. Score, in my opinion. So let's go ahead and get this opened. Let's see what we have. Again, I'm always so excited to see what's in here. I get wine and I get goods and I'm all good. So when you first open up the box on top, you have a box in a box. This is the goods. So you take this out and this will be the seasonal goods. And then your wine is tucked down below. I've never had anything break or anything. They do package it very well. So down here are going to be your 2 bottles of wine. So we'll pull these out. Ooh, that's a pretty bottle. This one looks familiar with the label because it's like a gorgeous girl and you see like a little, like a devil horn sticking out right there. So this one looks very familiar. This one, I don't think I've ever had all those flowers on it. I've never seen that particular logo. So I'm definitely really excited. One really good thing though, when you do sign up, you get to check which wines that you would like in your box. So you can do reds, whites, a mix of red and white, or you can do sweet. I used to do sweet back when I was actually purchasing this box, but they were a little too sweet for me, so I did change it to just be like a mixed blend of red and white. I normally prefer white or sweeter, and my man's more of like the darker red, the drier type, so I feel like it's the best of both worlds when I just do red and white. So again, here's the first bottle, Wicked Bliss 2020 California Chardonnay. And then we have Loverly Red Blend. And again, that's a really pretty package. This is a 2018 California wine. So 2 bottles of wine. And now for the goods. Let's see. Oh, for me. Yes, thank you. So this is what it looks like down inside. I believe this hat we got the last time, so maybe this is going to be the products that come, like an example of the free products, because all 3 of these I've received before. So maybe they sent me these to show you an example of 3 items that you would get in addition, which is a Larizzi Cosmetics palette, and I'll show you what this one looks like. That is what it looks like down inside. Very pretty. This necklace right here, which that is super pretty. And then there is this beanie with the cute little ball on the top, which I believe inside it even has, yes, it has like little furry things inside to keep it very warm. So if you use my code, those 3 products that could be yours free in your very first box. So let's go ahead and go with all of the products that are inside. And this is the Oh La La box. And this is a new little thing here. Normally, they give you all those cards and it's a little like kind of confusing because you look at one and you have to go find the other one for the pricing. And now everything is down in this little brochure. So the very first page will show all of the items and tell you how much they are. And then each page will go over each individual to tell you more information about that product. So I do see that they changed up their brochure and I actually really like this. They're probably going to be saving paper too because they had that little thing that they slid out of. So there's also like a lot more involved when they did those cards. So I really like this new brochure. So It says sit back, not sit back, sip. Sit back, relax, and unwind. All right, so I'll open it up to the first page so we can get the pricing. Now the wines are $24 each. So you almost are at $50 right there with just those 2 bottles of wine. So let's go ahead and start going with the products. This would be the jewelry item. Again, they always have some type of like a jewelry item, a treat, and all kinds of wonderful goodies that are inside. So the jewelry item will be right here. And this is a Tori stackable bracelet set valued for $35. Gemma Simone, it looks like that's who they are by. Let me get it opened. So this is what the set looks like out of the little bag that it comes in. It says a classic made for mixing and matching. This black, white, and gold bracelet set features 5 neutral bracelets that make for a perfect accessory. You can wear these stacked as a set or wear them individually to complete a look. Each beaded bracelet is stretchy so that it will fit most any wrist size. Keep it casual or dress it up. Oh, cute. And now when it says you can visit GEMMASIMONE.com to shop more of their collection. Use promo code VineOh for 20% off your online purchase. Expires 5/31 of 22. So they are stretchy. You do have like the elastic stretch. This one's like all black with a little bit of the gold right on the front of it. This one is all gold. This is the same black and gold one, another all gold. And then this one has a lot of gold with black and white. So there is a little 5-pack bracelet set. You guys know I don't care personally for yellow gold, so anything like this I save for you guys, which is a win-win because I love passing down to you guys in giveaways. So those will go set aside for one of you. Next we have, it says Julep Beauty Makeup Remover Towelettes, cleaning, pore refining with witch hazel. So you have this big bag here. This is valued for $20. Simplify your beauty routine with these 2-in-1 facial wipes that gently remove makeup and impurities while refining pores and toning skin. Formulated with witch hazel, glycerin, and olive oil, these towelettes deep clean pores, hydrates, and boost glow. Just swipe the cloth across your skin to gently remove all makeup, even waterproof mascara, without tugging or pulling. No need to rinse. Good for all skin types, especially oily to acne prone. Oh, fresh. So there you go. You have this big package here of facial makeup removing wipes. Now you have, it looks like a tumbler. It says, this is probably wine. This is probably wine. It's a pink. I don't know if you can see that. This is pink. That's black with a really, really gold color top. Like that's a gold right there. It's from Willow Collective. I will go ahead and pass this down to one of you guys. I have way too many cups in my cupboard. I literally will have to throw something out or get rid of something to put something in. So I'm good with everything that I have in my cupboards currently. So I don't have room for anything new, but this does feel like a light plastic type container. But there's that. Let me find how much this is, but that's what it looks like. This is valued for $20, it shows. I kind of feel that this feels too plasticky to be $20 worth, but there's that. This is probably wine. That is a very cute saying, and that would be mine, probably. It does have this top part. You just slide it forward, so then it releases that hole right there to give you, like, you know, to help you get your stuff out while you're drinking. So you do have that little feature. It says, a little sassy and a little fun. The Willow Collective, this is probably wine tumbler says it all. Double-walled insulated with an easy slide top. Keep any beverage of your choice hot or cold on the go. It holds 16 ounces of whatever gets you through the day. Oh, cheers. 16 ounce, hand wash only, do not microwave, BPA free. And you can visit willow-collective.com/shop to shop more of their collection and use code VineOh for 20% off your online purchase. Expires 5/31 of 22. So you have a tumbler that you can use for whatever drink you would like, hot or cold. Now the treat for the month, we have Mouth Party Caramels. Ooh. So you have some caramels in there. This is valued for $4. They may not have invented caramel, but Mouth Party Caramel sure has perfected it. Slow cooked in small batches and made to order with a nut-free facility, their secret recipe is a combination of just 5 simple ingredients, creating something utterly translucent. It's no wonder that this 4-generation-old family recipe has stood the test of time. This assorted 5-piece box gives you a taste of all 5 flavors: original vanilla, sea salt, OMG, and chocolate sea salt. Oh, yum. They're free from nuts, gluten, soy, and trans fat. No added preservatives or artificial colors. I can't wait to taste these. When I can start tasting again, I will definitely try these out. And I didn't know they were all different until I read that. So that's really neat. And they are all like labeled, so you will know the difference between each of them. So it's cool that it's a variety pack of each different flavor, so you can try them all out. And it says they've perfected caramel. So I can't wait until I can taste again so I can try those. So there's one item left in here, you guys, and it is right here. It looks like it's going to be a fold-out backpack based on the image back here. This is a VineOh Collective foldable backpack valued for $36. So let's see. This is the brand, VineOh Collective, and then it shows you on the back how to actually use it and open it up. So let's see what it does. So you have like this little pouch. I think that's really neat that it folds down into this little tiny size. And yeah, that is really tiny. So let's get it open and see how big it'll open. So it opens up to like almost like a mini backpack size. The inside is just all open. There's not like a pocket or anything. No, there's no pocket or anything on the inside. You have adjustable straps on the back. You'll have this thing hanging down here for how you close it back up afterwards. But on the front, you do have a pouch here. Where's the zipper? Oh, the zipper already is like in the middle. So, okay. There we go. It was closed on both sides and it was in the middle. So here's a little opening here for the little pouch. You do have a side kind of like pocket on both sides. You can put like a drink or something. And then yeah, so it's like a mini backpack size. So whenever you want it, you can unfold it, toss all your stuff in it, and go. And it says that it's a $36 value. So there's that. So that is everything that came in this seasonal oh la la box. You have a foldable compacted little backpack. You have a tumbler to have hot or cold any drink that you would like. You have a little pack to taste different caramels that I'm so excited to try out. You have a full-size large thing of makeup removing wipes. You have a 5-piece bracelet set. And if you are like me and you don't really care for gold, you can always use this as a gift. Save it, gift it to somebody's birthday, or hold it to the end of the year, give it to them for Christmas. But you do have a 5-piece bracelet set and 2 bottles of wine. All right, you guys. So that is everything for this seasonal box. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the items that they put in this box? Let me know what you think about VineOh. Again, I really like that you get the wine and you get the goods. So it's like you get the best of both worlds with this box. If you want a little bit more information about VineOh, I will let you know right about now. So again, my code, which is SheCrafty, will get you 3 free items. These are 3 free example items that they did send to me. I'm not sure if these are going to be the exact same items that you would receive, but for free items, that's really neat. A nice beanie, an eyeshadow palette, and a necklace. So SheCrafty will get you 3 free items in your very first box. This box is $59.99 per per season. There's only 4 of them per year, and you get a value of always over $120 with each box. And it's free shipping to the US. So any of these boxes will ship free in the US for the $59.99. And again, you get to choose which wines you get. If you get the white, the red, the mixed, or the sweet. You choose your payment if you want to do season to season, or if you want to save money to go to a whole year plan. And then you get to sit back, relax, and they'll ship it to you 4 times per year, because again, it's seasonal. You will always get 5 to 6 full-size products of fun, rejuvenating, and delicious surprises with the incredible value of over $120 in each box. They also have one-time gift boxes if you want to just send somebody, or if you are committed to their box and 1 month it is somebody's birthday, anniversary, or special occasion, and you want to send your box to them instead, you can go into your account, change the address, that next box will go to them, go back, change it, and then you or somebody else get the next box, whatever you like to do. And I really like that they do that you can change the address to the destination of your box. So that is everything that I have to say about VineOh. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.